This video is going to be really pointless for a lot of people. I hate dirty shoes, okay? I hate them. Which is weird because this is what my shoes used to look like when I was younger. But ever since I started getting into clothes, I hate when my shoes are dirty. I absolutely hate it, and especially because I love white shoes. And recently I picked up a pair of my favourite shoes that I've ever owned. They're these beautiful pair of Air Max 98s. I was chasing these for ages, but they were sold out everywhere. They were like 165, so they were available at one stage in my size, but I wasn't really sure if I wanted to spend that amount of money on them. And then when I kind of came to terms with it and I was like, yeah, I'm ready to do it, they were sold out. But then one day I went into Offspring in Brown Thomas and these are in the sale. And I was like, I don't care how much they are, I'm gonna buy them. So that's an irrelevant part of the story. But I hate when these get dirty. And today I'm going to show you how I clean my shoes. I told you this was going to be a pointless video for a lot of you, but if anyone is interested in how to clean Air Max 98s or shoes that are made similarly, stick around and I'll show you what I do. Now you might be saying, Alice, they look pretty clean to me. And yeah, they're not too bad, but any sort of speck of dirt on them just really boils my blood. So this is what we've got going on today, if you can see. See up there? There you go. Yeah, those little splatters of rain or muck, whatever they are, wreck my head. And especially in Ireland, like, it's so hard to keep white shoes clean, and if they're not all leather, they can be kind of hard to clean as well. If you can hear all that background noise, ignore it, please. I'm just gonna wait. So what I usually start off with doing, which I've already done, so I'm not going to do today, I will get a makeup wipe. I keep makeup wipes in my room, not for taking off my makeup, but for cleaning my shoes. If the leather part is dirty, which mine isn't today, a makeup wipe or any other kind of wipe or a wet cloth should do the trick on that. That's what I use for my Air Force Ones, and usually that works pretty well. But then I'll also wipe on this meshy part. I don't know what that material is called, but I usually wipe the dirt with the makeup wipe on that first. I don't know if it does anything beneficial at all, except maybe smudge it, which probably isn't that beneficial, but I do it anyway every single time. Also, I'm not going to tell you how to clean the suede bits because I haven't had to tackle that hurdle yet, so I don't know how to clean the suede bits. But basically what we're going to focus on is getting these bits to be white again. So, oh, I just spotted more dirt. It's okay. I'm going to show you how to take this off the shoe. Okay, so the main secret to my success, I'm like pointing at you with my toothbrush. The main secret to my success is this Vanish stain bar. This bad boy works magic. So we're going to use this and a toothbrush and a bit of water, and that should do the trick. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to wet our toothbrush. Also, use an old toothbrush that has kind of like soft bristles, like not a really fresh ones. Wet our toothbrush, like rub it into our stain bar and make it a bit frothy. See how it's a bit frothy? Yeah. Get your shoe. I just put my hand on the inside because it makes it easier to steady. Right, well, we just go at it like this. I'd say try avoid the suede as much as possible because it can stain it a little bit and it's harder to get out. But you just kind of go at it like so. It takes a few tries. Don't press too hard either because you don't want to like pull out the threads or anything. Okay, so that's like attempt one done, and then you just get a towel, like wet the corner and then sort of dab away at it. Okay, Okay, so I think that reduced it like a little bit, if you can see. But we're gonna go for round 2. Okay, at the moment most of it is gone. It's just kind of like those 2 little dots and maybe a little bit in the corner. But hopefully we can get them out. Okay, so my camera died, but I had a few wax at it, like a few more of the same. And then I also wet the corner of the bar and put it like directly on the spot and rubbed at it a bit. There's still a little bit of stain around like the indent of the stitches because that's really hard to get out. Most of it's gone now. If you can see, like you can see a little bit of something there. I'm definitely gonna get some of those plastic covers for your shoes so that they don't get destroyed. But yeah, it's pretty clean. I mean, more or less did the trick except for a little bit of stainage there. It's still annoying me though. Might give it one more go. Okay, I think that's where we're gonna have to leave it for now anyway. The Vanish bar is pretty good. I use it on my clothes as well, so if you are looking for a good stain remover, this one works a charm. So guys, I think that's it really. The shoes are not spotless, but cleaner than they were. Oh, I might try to get that out another way because it's annoying me. But in the past, that is what has worked for me in cleaning my shoes. But maybe I just need to stop wearing them when it's raining or mucky.